Something dramatic is unfolding in the Persian Gulf. That's right, a video is spreading rapidly online. It appears to show a strike near one of America's most important naval hubs in the Middle East. According to these circulating clips, an Iranian Shahed 136 drone, it slammed into an area that is close to the headquarters of the U.S. Fifth Fleet in Bahrain. The footage, it shows thick black smoke rising into the sky while loud explosions echoes across the skyline of Manana. For a region that is already on the edge, these images are sending shockwaves across the internet and raising a lot of serious question about what might be happening behind the scenes. If we talk about the Fifth Fleet, then their headquarters is not just any military base. It is one of Washington's most important command centers in the Gulf, responsible for overseeing the naval operations across very important shipping routes, including the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, and the Arabian Sea. So basically, any attack near this particular facility would instantly grab the global attention. Well, the video shows smoke that appears in a lot of areas with sirens echoing across the whole region. However, it's very important to note that these all visuals they remain unverified, and officials in Washington they have not really confirmed what really happened. In the meantime, the IRGC, Iran's army, they have made a bold claim. According to their statement, the drone strike it was only the part of a wider operation. They say that it also targeted a support vessel belonging to the Military Sea Lift Command, basically a fleet that provides fuel, supplies, logistics support to the US naval forces operating far from home. You know what? If such a vessel is actually hit, then it will have serious consequences, and that too really bad for the entire region. In the meantime, Iranian sources have framed the alleged attacks as retaliation linked to the ongoing tensions between Tehran, Washington, and Israel. The region has already been simmering with military posture, naval patrol, drone activity. Now, a direct strike near the US naval headquarters, if confirmed, that this would mark one of the most daring confrontations in the recent memory. It would signal that the shadow conflict in that particular region. It is moving dangerously close to the open confrontation. However, ladies and gentlemen, for now, the situation remains uncertain. The videos continue to circulate, analyzing every frame, and the governments are watching very closely. Without official confirmation from Washington, the world is actually left with more questions than answers. But one thing is clear. If these strikes turn out to be true, then the strikes near America's Fifth Fleet base would become a big moment that will be written in the history.